Maybe friends are a bit confused when typing a degree but don't know how to make the symbol. To make a degree symbol in Microsoft Word, we can use 3 ways, one of which I will share with all my friends. First, type the number you want to add the degree symbol to. For example, we will make 37 degrees. So first make the number 37, then place the cursor at the end of the number. After that, friends, click Superscript on the home menu, which has the symbol x squared too. You can also make a superscript by pressing the Control key, Shift key, and plus button simultaneously on the keyboard. Then our cursor will shrink. Now type the lowercase o as a form of the degree symbol. After that, friends, click Superscript again to return the cursor to normal.